Engaging in volunteer work or helping others can be a fulfilling way to find purpose in your life. Here are some tips to make the most of your volunteer experience. Reflect on your interests and skills. Consider what causes or issues you're passionate about and what skills or talents you possess. This self-reflection will help you choose a volunteer opportunity that aligns with your values and allows you to make a meaningful impact. Research volunteer opportunities. Look for local organizations or community groups that focus on causes you care about. Research their mission, activities, and the kind of help they require. Websites, social media platforms, and volunteer databases can provide a wealth of information about volunteer opportunities in your area. Start small and build from there. If you're new to volunteering, it's a good idea to start with small commitments and gradually increase your involvement. This will help you find your niche, understand the dynamics of the organization, and assess if the role aligns with your expectations and abilities. Seek out meaningful projects. Look for volunteer projects that have a direct and tangible impact on individuals or communities. This way, you can witness the difference you're making, which can be incredibly rewarding and provide a sense of purpose. Collaborate with others. Engage with fellow volunteers and build relationships within the organization. This not only fosters a sense of community but also allows you to learn from others and share your skills and experiences. Be reliable and committed. Treat your volunteer work with the same level of commitment as you would a professional job. This demonstrates your dedication and respect for the organization and the people you're helping. Embrace learning opportunities. View your volunteer work as a chance to learn and grow. Be open to new experiences, perspectives, and challenges. Take advantage of any training or educational opportunities provided by the organization to enhance your skills and knowledge. Practice self-care. Engaging in volunteer work can be emotionally and physically demanding. Make sure to take care of yourself by maintaining a healthy work-life balance, setting boundaries, and seeking support when needed. Remember, you can't help others effectively if you're not taking care of yourself. Share your experiences. Spread the word about the organization you're volunteering with and the work they do. Share your experiences with others, both online and offline, to inspire and encourage more people to get involved in volunteer work. Remember, finding purpose through volunteer work is a personal journey. Your passion and dedication can create a positive impact on the lives of others and bring meaning to your own life.